too.
We are going to make some muffins. Okay, so you need to crack an egg first and put it in there.
Huh?
Oh, not the shell. Okay, there you go. Okay, you need 2 eggs. That's 2. Okay. No, you only need 2.
Why? What's in my face?
I can crack it open. I needed something on. But you're right.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going from the second
No, you're not.
yeah, I'm not.
Okay. I'm gonna do anything to you. We're just baking today.
Yeah, we are alright.
Okay. Well, that's how you crack the egg.
Yeah.
We need 125 mils of oil. So here's this cup here, it's 125 mils. And I need 200 mils of water.
200.
So you can put that in the jug. You know what 200 mils is.
Yeah.
Okay, put that in there. Okay. And then 200 mils of water is up to there. It says 200.
Okay.
See? Put it down. That should be eye levels. Put it down. Then go down and check with your eyes.
See? So how do I get that?
Okay.
Guys, I think that's enough.
Okay. Then you must attach that.
This?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not very good at this, as you can tell. Oh, I somehow did it.
Okay.
Okay, then put it down, then
Turn it off.
turn it on.
Turn that up.
Oh.
Okay. Then we're going to put the flour. Okay.
Oh. Don't you want to show the?
When it's done.
So I know it doesn't look like it yet. Yeah, it looks. I don't know. But can you put this on again?
Yeah. Put it on again.
Everybody's gonna laugh at that part.
And put it over.
Then do that.
Turn it on again. Yes.
God. So it's going well.
Now, open it.
Oh, look at that. No, it's pretty good.
Almost done. We're just going to wipe the edges.
I'm gonna be looking at like the whole entire video. Let's go.
Now you just start filling them up.
Okay. That's good.
Don't eat it and then put it back in.
Go.
Bake at the bottom there. Bake for plus minus 20. Remember.
Plus minus 20 minutes.
Yes.
We're gonna push these chocolates in. put the timer on. So you have to press this.
How many minutes?
How many minutes? 20.
Press the middle one again.
It's ready to pop in, guys. I know my mom's doing this because she's the master chef in my house, so that's why she's doing it. Now, put it in.
Excellent. Now it's time for White to wash the dishes. Those ones have surprises,
Yep.
and the other ones don't. A little more vanilla muffins.
Look at this one. This one definitely melts, so I'm going to try this one.
Okay, look here. Nice.
My personal opinion, they're amazing. I haven't tasted the ones without surprises in them.
What? Dishes style. What?